Welcome to the full Figma UI UX course. In this course, we're going to learn a ton about user interface and user experience design. We're going to be learning how to use Figma and create beautiful mockups for your designs. I'm your instructor for this course. My name is Nima Tahami. I've worked on multiple projects and startups over the last 10 years, both mobile and web. And in this course, I want to help you design the products that your customers or your clients need. And we're going to be doing that with a really cool software called Figma. Figma is easy to use, it's great to work with in teams, and it's also free. In this course, we're going to design two complete mockups, one for the mobile and one for web. We're going to create a beautiful laundry delivery service application. We'll go from an idea on paper, create an actual application while learning about all the different tools that we have access to in Figma. And once we do that, we can create beautiful prototypes that we can share with our colleagues or clients that are usable and actually look good. Whether you're just getting started with design or you've been designing for a couple of years and now you want to learn Figma, this course is exactly for you. So if you're ready to take your projects and your designs to the next level, whether it's for your own projects or your clients, then jump right in and I'll see you in this course.